If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. Today, and I know I've been absent a minute, I finally uploaded a video that took me forever to edit, and it was so long. If you cannot tell, I have been a little under the weather. Started last Wednesday with just sneezing. Thursday, I ran a little fever. Friday, it was just all congestion. And on top of that, it was just all congestion in my nose. And I felt sinuses draining in the back of my throat, which is irritating, and then just a bad sinus headache. The headache and most of the congestion hasn't been as bad the past couple of days. So we're on the mend, and I really think it was like Alabama went from 0 pollen to all of a sudden high pollen because it decided to be in the 60s and 70s, and after all the rain, everything decided to freaking bloom. So from 0 to 100, I think it's just like tore up my allergies because I haven't had that much of a problem lately. So today, I got my Boxycharm in, and this is a ginormous box. This is supposed to be the regular box, and it's kind of ginormous, which I don't know if everybody else is. I haven't watched it. I did downgrade this month because, well, if you watched my live, I got last minute tickets to a sold out concert that I took my nephew to for his birthday. It was an early birthday present. In the live, I did the bloodlust palette tutorial. So, well, I had probably enough to get this, but I wanted to make sure I had enough money to take him out to eat, which I did. So it was tickets out to eat, and then if he wanted anything, and then he didn't really wanted anything because he's a good boy. He already knew I spent money. Not like, oh, you have to spend all this money. So that's what it looks like. First things first is this lippy. This is from Vintage by Jessica Libiskin. I haven't seen anybody get this, but I haven't really paid. This is a sparkling lip gloss. Gives lips a beautifully glittery glow with Jessica Sparkling Lip Gloss. The sheer reflective formula provides a luminous shine and sophisticated shimmer in an easy to use wand with brush applicator. Ooh, a brush applicator, really? Okay. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip color. MSRP is $25. Now, I like Vintage Cosmetics. I think I still have their highlighters. I might have actually got rid of them, but they were from like my first Boxycharms, and I love them. There's a rose gold one. Oh, that one was phenomenal. And then I do have a couple of her brushes still. I did not like, what did I not like? Oh, her tweezers. Oh my gosh, no. No. Those plucked out my skin. But the highlighters, and then she has like a chocolate and white one or something, or a chocolate and a pink one. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Just gorgeous and soft and there and buttery. Makes me miss them. Like, I need to use them again. Okay, that's on my thing. So that's why I canceled the Luxe. And plus, at the end of the day, I wasn't too thrilled with the Luxe options. I was like, nothing I have to have. So that is a brush, which, well, I thought this had a mirror. This doesn't have a mirror. However, these $7 ones, little palettes from Makeup Revolution have a mirror. This is a good bronzer, by the way. Or I Heart Revolution, which is Makeup Revolution Sideline. Ooh. Oh yeah, glitter. I'm with that. There goes gold. Okay. I can't remember the last time I used a brush with anything or had anything that came with a brush. But the brush is soft, so that's nice. Smells okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, we are happy with this. Okay, from KVD Vegan Beauty, which, if you don't know, is what Kat Von D Beauty has become. Something, yeah, it does say KVD, but it still says Kat Von D on the side, even though she's not supposed to have any kind of association with them or whatnot, but it's fine. This is a Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter. Illuminate your complexion with a dose of ethereal glow. Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter lights up your best features and with an ultra-fine pearlescent fluid formula, perfect for soft everyday radiance. This creamy yet weightless formula is super versatile and blendable. MSRP is $25. Alright. There's vegan. Shelf life is 15. The shade is Rose's Hawk. Oh, Rose Shock. Rose Shock. It's all one word, so you had to figure out where to divide that word. Okay. That's what it looks like. Kind of interesting. Okay. It's got a little fuzzy thing. Oh, and it clicks up. Okay. Well. Clickety, clickety, clickety. Might be driving my cat crazy. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, I mean, that could probably go as a lipstick. I mean, bright enough. I can't see what I'm doing, but we're gonna. Oh, yeah, that made me pink. Okay, what do you like? Well, it's gold, so it's actually like a pink and gold, like gold glitter. Actually pretty. I don't know how it's looking. Hopefully looking okay. Alright, I'm okay with that. Let me just try and get rid of... Oh, I went too low with that glitter. It's fine. We're fine. Next up from... Project Beauty. This is the Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. It's called Hair Gurt. I've had something called Hair Gurt. I swear it was from Brojo, but maybe it was from them. But I've had something called Hair Gurt that I really, really liked. Did someone call for a hair rescue? This moisturizing repairing hair mask is made with yogurt, protein, prebiotics, quinoa. I actually like quinoa. I've tried it. And our botanical oil blend and shea butter to help repair and protect damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Show your hair some care. MSRP is $10. Yeah, I've had some hair grit. It smelled really good. It smelled, I think it was like strawberry banana. And I liked it. This one's sealed. This one's honey. I like honey in my hair. I don't like it on my face, but I like it in my hair. And I'm cool with this because I love me a hair mask on a Saturday. Granted, I don't need to use that much. If you don't know, haven't noticed, I got my hair chopped off. She put a lot more choppy layers than I had intended her to. I said long layers. She put some choppy layers up in it. Oh, whatever. My hair will grow back out in a couple weeks. I got it done Friday, so I was still sick, but I was like, I want my hair chopped off. Oh, that smells good. Honey almond, yes. That smells good. So I'm cool with that. Next up from Boxycharm, I got the Hello Charmer palette. I'm going to check the ingredients. Okay, shimmer press eyeshadow. May contain manganese violet, red lake, black iron oxide, red iron oxide, yellow iron oxide, titanium dioxide, yellow 5. Glitter pressed eyeshadow ingredients. Polyethylene turning. May contain red 40. Oh my gosh, so wow. I did not think that's another reason why I didn't care about getting Luxe. I was like, oh, if I end up with those eyeshadow palettes, I forgot it's coming in the base box. I was like, I probably can't use their Boxycharmer palette, and I already have the TARDIS 2, which I do love. I love that palette. I just haven't used it in forever because I've had so many new palettes. But yeah, I really like that palette, even though there's like 2 or 3 shades I can't use in that palette. But this one does not contain carmine, as far as I'm reading. If what I'm reading is correct, it does say 12-month shelf life and cruelty-free. So there are glitter pressed eyeshadows in here that have a whole different thing. Boxycharm is expanding their brand. They have some brushes. They have some eyeshadow palettes. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 shimmery matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day-to-night looks. MSRP is $39, boxy edgy. Now, when I chose choice, I chose not to get eyeshadow palette. I wanted the wand. But this is cute because I wasn't sure. I was pretty sure that this wouldn't be, you know, how often am I disappointed by a palette that comes in? I don't even get my expectations up because I know it's going to contain carmine. So this is nice. This is like the white's really embossed. This is flat, but charm swap, yeah. Okay, these are some ads. Boxycharm Lux, Boxycharm Swap. I'm not on any of these Instagram handles. I'm on Boxy Swap and Shop on Facebook. But this is nice. This is like, this is really embossed. That's cute. Made in Taiwan. And actually, I'm interested in this palette. I think it's actually really, really pretty. It does have neutral, like, mattes. The mattes are really neutral. I mean, but you got this one that's, like, kind of a satin matte of unboxing. But I like the name, like, Boxycharm. It does have a little mirror. Full size. That is glitter. All these are glitter. Okay, exclusive spoiler Lux. Unboxing sneak peek premium. Swipe up. That's definitely a pressed glitter. Pop up and cup of Joe. Because Joe is the founder of Boxycharm, in case you don't know. So actually that matte and that matte should go fine. Of course that one, like in my crease, that looks like a sateen kind of shade. So it's not a matte, I don't think. That white one, which I prefer because I don't need a white matte. I'm interested in this. I think it's gorgeous. Like even without that pop, like I love these two pops, and even the golds are pretty. I'm glad they just didn't focus on neutral. They gave us some pops of color. Even that one. But this is a really pretty gold, and pop-up's really pretty too. Kind of want to swatch this. I'm going to swatch this. I didn't think I'd be keeping this, but heck yeah, I'm going to keep that. Ooh, that's creamy. It is a matte. Oh, that's pretty. It does have glitter in it. Oh, no, glitter's on my finger. Never mind the glitter on my finger. Well, there's some glitter in it. That one's more like a pressed glitter. When I touch it, it's going more like a pressed glitter. That's full size. Okay, Boxycharm full size. This is exclusive. And that does have glitter in it, so that glitter you might have to be a little careful with. And spoiler. So this has 12 shades. So there we go. Yeah, that one might need a glue or wet your brush. It's more like a glitter glue. Oh, see, even that one will show up. Alright, now we got Lux, which is gorgeous. Unboxing, which I kind of love that rusty shade. Sneak peek, ooh, premium, which is pretty. This is definitely a pressed glitter. Yeah, it's wet. I'm trying to get a swipey swipe on it though. So yeah, it's a pressed glitter, so it's like probably when you go on your brush, you probably dip your finger and go in there. But it looks like it's holding its own. Our pop-up, which is pretty, and cup of Joe. That's a soft matte, not like a powdery matte, just like creamy soft matte. So I just think it's really pretty. Okay, I'm down for this. I might put this in my purse and just try it out this week. I'm like, especially if these ingredients are correct. I am so happy it's something I can use. You know, people are like, oh, that's your own brand. You shouldn't be charging that much. But $39 is not bad for a palette. Ace Beauty palettes, $39. All right. And I actually got this. And I don't think I'm supposed to in the base box. Really? I thought it was just a Lux item. Or you would get this or a palette. And I got this and a palette. Am I wrong or am I right? I got the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. Style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370 Fahrenheit. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy and with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature controls. MSRP is $50. I got this color lavender. And am I wrong in thinking that I wasn't supposed to get this? It's a nice little cloth bag though. Okay, so this was what was in the thing. Okay. I didn't think I'd end up using that too, so that's why I canceled. But I mean, did everybody get this? Or, or did I not show it to you? I mean, or Sutra. I mean, I don't know. That's cool. I'll probably bring it along with me because I'm doing my niece's prom makeup next month, and their mom might need an extra wand or something. I might need help with that. Actually, I think I'm actually really good with this for $25. I mean, there was that face cleansing thing, which I was only halfway interested in. Anyway, that was in the Luxe box. I think this palette's gorgeous. Like, I am looking for, the white's kind of like the way on my clothes, but I'm looking forward to using this. See, that's why I never use my old palettes. I still have that one. I have the Storybook one I need to try out. I'm cool with this. I didn't think I was actually going to get that. And the lip gloss I like. And the highlighter I'm okay with. What else is in here? Oh, and the hair girt. The hair girt's nice. So I'm cool with all of that. So there's my box. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!